time for breakfast.
Was that your tummy, Emma?
Yeah. I'm always hungry after my morning exercises.
What'll it be? Toast and jam? Oatmeal? Or my famous scrambled space eggs?
Ooh, scrambled space eggs, please.
I hate to break this to everyone, but I was just in the kitchen. We're out of eggs.
No eggs? Really?
Maybe we can get some more.
I like that idea.
So does my tummy.
Well, that sounds like a mission, and you know what that means? It's time for us to pick a planet.
Hi, everyone. How can I help you today?
We need to get some eggs so we can make breakfast.
Rob's famous scrambled space eggs breakfast.
That sounds like an excellent mission. Let's see where you can go.
Hey, it's the math planet. I like to count, but it doesn't add up to a solution to our problem. We won't find any eggs there.
The camping planet. Not really the place to find eggs either.
The farm planet. I bet we can find eggs there. Farm fresh eggs.
Yes, the farm planet. An egg-tastic choice. Get ready for countdown.
Hurry, everyone. Get to your stations and buckle your seatbelts.
Next stop, the farm planet.
I see. Chickens!
Eggs come from chickens. So where there are chickens, there are sure to be eggs.
Hey ho! I'm Farmer Fred, and who might you be?
Hi, I'm Rob, and these are my friends, TK, Orbit, and Emma.
Hey there. Hello.
Hi.
Mighty nice to meet y'all. What brings you to my farm planet?
We're on a mission to find farm fresh eggs.
Well, you've come to the right place. Only I haven't had time to do the morning egg collecting yet. I've been so busy fixing this old tractor, I haven't had a chance to do my other chores. You see, if you folks help me by collecting the eggs, I'll give you as many as you need. How does that sound?
That sounds like a great deal, Farmer Fred.
You've all done farm work before, right?
No, but it's okay. I bet we'll be done before you know it. Won't we, guys?
Right.
Yeah.
I should warn you, sometimes a simple-sounding job can be tough if you haven't done it before. So if you need help,
We can do it!
okay then. The eggs are in that chicken coop.
Let's get cracking!
Something tells me they'll be right.
Look out, eggs. Here come the great egg collectors.
No! The chickens escaped. I better go get help from Farmer Fred.
But we let them escape, so we should get them back again.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, let's go round up those chickens.
catch the chickens. We need to fix the fence. The bone knocked over.
Hup, you and TK go after the chickens, and Orbit and I will get this fence fixed.
You know, I might be better at fence fixing than chicken catching. Let's see if I've got something in my tummy trunk that can help.
TK, don't move.
I don't think he likes the color red, TK. And you're red all over.
Oh, come back! Come back!
She didn't really mean it.
Oh.
I guess he doesn't like pink either.
This egg collecting thing is dangerous. Yeah, now we have to collect the eggs, catch the chickens, fix the fence, and stop that crazy cow. It's a bull, Orbit.
Hey, what happened to Rob?
Uh-oh. What do we do?
Now might be a good time to call for help.
Definitely.
Help!
Calm down now. Calm down.
Wow.
Thanks.
How did you do that?
Oh, this old bull can be a bit grumpy. You just need to know how to talk to him. Looks like you could use a little help.
Maybe more than a little.
Yeah, turns out farm work is harder than we thought.
Well, there's nothing wrong with accepting a little help when you need it. Like, I sure could use some help fixing that old tractor.
TK at your service.
Thanks.
Thanks, Emma.
Thanks for all the eggs, Farmer Fred.
My pleasure. I couldn't have fixed my tractor without asking you for help. I'm much obliged.
Mission accomplished. Mission control?
Hi, Rob. You're back. So, what did you learn on your mission?
Well, we met Farmer Fred. While he was busy working on his tractor, he agreed to let us collect some eggs. Only the chickens got loose, and then we broke a fence. And then we got chased by a robo-bull. But we also learned that it's okay to ask for help and to accept it when someone offers it. Farmer Fred helped us, and we helped him.
Well done. What an egg-citing mission. As soon as we're back in space, you can cook up some of those farm-fresh eggs. I think it's time to go home. Better buckle up. Bye.